Okay, so now the area has been graded, and what we're doing is trimming the landscape fabric at the bulkhead. We've already brought the soil flush to the lip at the grade we need, and now we're just going to get rid of the extra landscape fabric. You can see Steve from Atlantic Beach is trimming right now, and we're going to leave that flush edge so that when we put in the side, which we're starting to run here, then you will only see the bulkhead, the wood from the bulkhead. That's the idea. So we want to get rid of the extra paper, so you can kind of see where the wood and the stones meet. And this has been filled with topsoil, and it's going to hold up whenever it rains. It's going to keep washout from happening at this bulkhead. Starting to put in the side right now.